Auto Air Builder here at Jimmy's East Coast. Jimmy's a really good friend of mine, just to let you know, and I've known this guy for many years. He's actually fixed quite a bit of cars over the years for me. I purchased this vehicle from an older lady, and obviously she's had a little parking issues here, as you can see from the back bumper. I've asked Jimmy to spray the bumper for me. He's actually given me a great deal on it, so I couldn't really refuse. Jimmy, can you just tell me basically about the processes that you're going to take in order to just spray this back bumper?
Well, what we're going to do is you're going to pull the cover right off the car. It'll just make it that much easier and a lot better, a much better job that way. And the first thing we're going to do is going to DA it down and clean up the all the damage, all the holes and all the little punctures and creases in it. And that's pretty much it. We're going to repair them, and then we're going to, of course, prime it with a good epoxy primer. This way it holds on there really nice and tight. And then sand it down and wet sand it really good. And then, of course, refinish it and clear coat it and pop it back on the car, man.
Now, you could even tell right here that this was probably somebody's screw from their license plate bumping back and forth, right?
You can actually see the impression sometimes it makes. Looks just like the screw.
Yeah.
But
now, let me ask you this, though, Jimmy. Is this paint the same as this paint up here, or is there a difference between the two paints?
No, they're exactly the same now because the urethanes are actually flexible. And years ago,
all right.
Yeah, years ago they used to have to like add like a flex additive to it, but you don't really need that anymore.
All right, great. You know what? So this is the before, as you can definitely tell, and the next video you'll see is when Jimmy completes the process, and the hopefully very beautiful after. We nice, better hope so. Come on. Thanks, Jimmy.
You know that. You're welcome.
All right, we're here day 2. Just throw on the primer. Getting ready, sanded it down, just getting ready to spray. So next up, we'll see the finished product, and then we'll just put it back on to the Hyundai. All right, here's the end result here at Jimmy's East Coast, and all he did here is use the base coat, clear coat, urethane paint. Came out beautiful, very happy with the work. Really appreciated everything here at East Coast, what they did. Here's on the inside too. Yeah, nothing, great job. Because of course he took off the bumper, so there's no overspray or anything like that, which is, you know, something you don't want to see, of course, when you open up your hatch. Anyway, guys, come on down, get your bumpers painted at a great price.